Welcome to Dr. Insights.
So let's unpack this Dell EcoLoop Pro Backpack 15. So I'm touching such a packing. I'll just remove it from the bag. This is the bag, it's nothing. So coming to it's a notebook carrying laptop made up of 840D fabric with width of 44 centimeters, depth of 31 centimeters, and depth of 17 centimeters and height of 31 centimeters. It weighs about 660 grams and it can fit about 15. Dell screen size is 15.6 inches. It has mesh pockets. You can see mesh pockets made up of Nylex material with 3 years of warranty. The thing is, it's ocean cycle certified. That means the exterior main fabric is made up of approximately 11 recycled plastic bottles, which are collected from the ocean coastline or major wasteways. So let's open this bag first. Comes like this with good mesh on the go loop. Let's open this. The main pocket is like this. So yeah, it has 360-degree foam cushioning. It has anti-scratch this thing. Has a dedicated laptop as well as tab ports compartments. Very spacious, can fit everything. The mesh compartments on either side to give small these things. There's multi-purpose organizer in the front place. See, multi-purpose organizer, and you can carry comfortably because of the black padded back panel and straps too. Low, lightweight, and this Nylex materials prevent from scratches, waterproof and everything. So you can get this. I'll be sharing the links in the description below. This is suitable for all the laptops size less than 15.6 inches.